back with another video. Did you miss me? Yeah, I know. Anywho, all right, so before we get started, smash the subscribe button. And yeah, I am going to, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Yes, let me state the obvious. I need my eyebrows done. Don't worry, they will get done today. I'm just letting them grow out extra because I'm going to have somebody else do them, and I want them thicker. Okay? I want them to have something to work with. Also, I am going to see my chiropractor today, and I want to bring you guys along with me. I'm going to get a adjustment, get my back cracked and, elongated. I have suffered from back pain for years, stemming from my years of being an exotic dancer. The wear and tear that's on an exotic dancer's body, it's real. It's real. I mean, I'm not like a broke, I'm not just like crippled, but like I said, I have back pain stemming from years of being an exotic dancer, walking around night in, night out in 6, 7, 8-inch stiletto platform heels, pole tricks. Anybody that knew me when I was an exotic dancer knows that, baby, I used to get down on the pole, okay? No cap. Yeah. Not to toot my own horn, but just is what it is. I do have on my gym clothes because I'm also going to run today, or I have on workout clothes because I'm going to go run today. I'll probably just run the track today. I like to switch it up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What else? Eyebrows, chiropractor, workout. I'll eat somewhere in there, put some nutrients in my body. What else? I think that pretty much sums it up for now. But yeah, you guys are going to come along with me while I get my back popped. Hopefully they'll let me record in there. I don't see why they wouldn't. So yeah, let's get into this video. Ow! Okay, guys, I just pulled up at the chiropractor's office. Trying to get situated before I go in there. They told me to be 30 minutes early because I have to fill out paperwork, of course. And, they have to obtain all of my information, my identity, my insurance information, all that good stuff. Okay, yes. I got bit by a mosquito. That's a telltale sign of summertime. Okay, so another reason I wanted to bring you guys along with me is because I thoroughly enjoy, and comment down below if you agree or also do this. I thoroughly enjoy watching chiropractors crack backs on YouTube. I watch it. I'm a naturally nurturing person. Okay. So since I was a little girl, if you know me, you can ask my family, you can ask my exes. I'm a physical being. I like to be touched. I like to touch others. Not just anybody. Let me clear that up. But, if I'm close to you, I've always enjoyed, and I know I'm not alone in this because there's a whole community of people on YouTube. I enjoy popping pimples, popping blackheads, getting massages. So every now and again, if you see a blemish on my face, I have pretty good skin, but during my time of the month or something, I'll get a blemish and I'll try to pop it myself. Or I'll get a pimple or something and I'll try to pop it myself. You know what I'm saying? It's I don't just sit around and pick at my face. I definitely don't do that. But like right here, I had a pimple form, and I tried to pop it, and then it turned into a blemish, and then I have to wait for it to go away. So I said all that to say, I like to touch people. I enjoy watching people get their back cracked and adjusted. There's this like an ASMR type feel to it. So yeah, like I'm excited to get my back adjusted and see what kind of cracks he can get out of me. I know if I enjoy watching it on YouTube, somebody might enjoy watching my video of me getting my back popped, cracked, adjusted, whatever he's gonna do in here. This is my first time at this particular chiropractor. I haven't been in a while, and my back had started to feel really like tight, really tight. And so I was like, hey, I need to go get my back popped and, you know, get it adjusted and all that good stuff. So yeah, I hope someone enjoys watching me get my back cracked today. Okay, so I will see you guys on the inside. Hi. So, get my workout clothes on, my sports bra. This sports bra is so comfy. So I'll get my eyebrows done after this. I can't wait to get my back cracked. It's gonna feel so good. Like I love getting my eyebrows waxed. Like it feels good to me. I like getting massages. Yeah, just love it. It's just so like pampering. And I'm not gonna be in pain. I'm not in excruciating pain, but it's like an annoying pain in my lower back, on my right side of my lower back. And it's like, I just need it like stretched out or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for them to call me back. And I'll see you guys when I get back there, okay? Yes.
So I'm gonna have to have you take a pregnancy test.
Okay, great.
Just because it's been so long.
Yes.
And we have to do that for purposes.
Oh,
we
yeah.
take x-rays.
Yeah.
So if you don't mind giving me like 2 seconds, do you have to pee? Do you have to go to the bathroom?
I'll probably use a cup of water first.
A cup of water? Okay. Get yourself a cup. We got a few seconds. So we're
Okay. They want me to, I have to take a pregnancy test. I'm fine with that because I ain't nothing up in here. Gonna get some water. Ain't no babies up in here, y'all. No. Ain't no babies up in here. It's refreshing. I'll do one more cup to really get my. If that pregnancy test came back positive, we'll be like, oh hell no, y'all need to get a new pregnancy test. Such a pretty day today, considering it was wet all weekend. Oh, so how was everyone's Mother's Day? I hope everyone had a good Mother's Day. I did. But then again, every day's Mother's Day, you know. Yeah, I'm thinking about starting a segment in on my channel of like my nature walks and stuff, because I always go on nature walks. So I think I'm gonna start bringing you guys along with me. That'll be some pretty good content, and I just need to be more consistent overall. And I'm getting back in the groove. So while I'm waiting, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been subscribing and supporting and, you know, tuning in to your girl. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. Like, it just touches my heart. I'm not gonna get all deep on y'all. Calm down. But yeah, I am very, very grateful for all the love and the hate, because baby, that just motivates. I'm excited to get this back cracked, y'all. Hope it's a loud. With some loud pops and cracks. Yeah, I hope it does my neck, everything. So yeah, this is good for you though. It's good to always get adjusted, get your body adjusted, at least a couple times a year. Especially if you work on your feet for long hours at a time. I think they're about to call my name. Okay, so I'm in the ladies' room. I'm about to take a pregnancy test at the chiropractor's office. I know, strange, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So, here we go. And then I'll do it myself. I had to let the rest out. Man, it was sucking. My phone fell in the toilet. All right, let's see. Boom. Oh wait, did I go past the line? How the hell do I do this? I ain't never done this kind, y'all. I pee on sticks. All right, I think that's it. I want to make sure before I dump my pee-pee out, my urine. All right, it's Tony. Yeah, go ahead and give me that one line, honey. Cause ain't nothing up in here. Ain't no buns in my oven. All right, I'm gonna dispose of that and wash my hands. Yes, one line, negatory. Let's get this back cracking. So you guys, also this will be like an ongoing thing. If you don't know or never been to a chiropractor, you go, when you get adjustments, you can't just do it in one day. You do it usually like over a 4 to 6 week period. You come once a week. You know, you have to gradually work on the spine, basically. So, yeah. This will be a thing for us, okay? And we'll see the progression in my body and my height, because they're literally gonna be stretching my back out over time, okay? And yes, it says negative. You see that one line? One line. Not sure if you were able to see that, but yes, I'm not pregnant. Ow. Okay, guys, I am in the back cracking room. The assistant, chiropractor's assistant, just went out to see if I am allowed to record with her talking to me and being able to record the actual process. Okay, and she gave me the okay.
Yes, okay.
So I'm just gonna
make sure.
keep it on me, you guys, and you can hear her, you know, explaining what she needs to explain. I'm listening.
chronic back pain on here, and 8 years ago. So it sounds like you've been dealing with this for a long time.
Yes.
And I wanted to let you know, I was actually originally a patient here before I worked here. I had a pretty major accident when I was 16 and I broke my back. And that man out there put me back together. He is amazing at what he does.
Awesome.
And ever since I've been working here, I get to watch people like you come in. They're hurting. They've been in pain for an extended amount of time, whether it's been a week or it's been 10 years. And as I watch them follow a treatment plan, I start to watch like a different person walk through the door. And it's super cool to see because you don't always see that side in healthcare. It's usually this is happening, that's happening, and here I watch people get better every single day. So I'm really excited to see what we can do for you.
too.
You're definitely in the right place, okay?
I feel like I am so far, yeah. I like the energy.
Good, good. That's what we like to go for. It's a good positive energy. So now I'm going to ask you a few quick questions. How tall are you?
I'm 5'5".
Okay. See here. And then how much do you weigh?
140-ish.
Okay.
140-ish. 140.
All right, and then we get your blood pressure really quick. Very long. And then if you can uncross your legs for me and put your palm up. Perfect. Thank you. So feel free to ask him anything and everything, okay? He's a walking encyclopedia when it comes to this.
Okay.
So there's no too big of a question or too small at all. And we want to make sure that you're comfortable.
Good deal.
I am going to have you watch a short video. It lasts about 6 minutes. Might answer some questions, kind of introduces you to chiropractics and talks about it a little bit. Once it finishes, you can just hang tight and he's going to come right in after that. Okay? 115/84. Let's see, the pulse is 69. Do you have any questions for me or anything like that?
I'm good to go.
All right. We'll get this started and we'll be back here shortly.
All right, great.
So put yourself. I'm gonna rotate you this way and then lean back over my hand.
It's coming. That pain is right there.
Okay, does it feel like a random pain across the lower back or more on that side?
It's the lower
More broad?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna rotate this way. And lean back over.
Mm-hmm.
Similar?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, lower side, lower right side. I can feel it.
And what I'm gonna do now, Samantha, is lay on your back with your head towards the paper there.
Okay.
So if
Just
you want,
set it
so you gotta
anywhere,
even
yeah.
Put this over.
I love watching this stuff on YouTube, so I was like, I should put mine on there.
There you go.
Love watching the back cracks. Oh,
So,
yeah.
piece right here, good. I know you feel some tightness in the hamstrings and need back pain associated with that.
No.
Can you hold your feet here for me? Hold. Good, release. Any pain with that at all?
I can start feeling it come up in here.
You want to hold my legs in the air?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just was it mainly across through here?
Right there.
A little bit, okay, nice side joint continue. Okay, you're gonna roll over for me, lay belly. Okay, I'm gonna bend this way. And then we'll have tightness in the front of the leg with any back pain.
Mm-hmm. A little bit right there.
Similar spot.
Mm-hmm.
Any pain through here at all?
No.
Now, when you have your headaches, Samantha, do you think they start here and kind of work their way over time?
Mhm.
Okay, you can go and sit up there.
Oh, thanks.
And then I'm just gonna check out your range of motion. Okay, so you can go ear to shoulder for me, as far as you can, good. Other way. Good. Can you rotate? Beautiful. Other way. Good. Can you dip to your left? Dip to your right. Good. Can you rotate? Good. Any decrease or increase in pain when you move one way or another? What way do you
Everywhere.
increase the pain?
Increase.
Okay,
Yes.
can you touch toes?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Neck pain as well with movement or just low back when you were doing the
They're
work?
low.
Alright, you can sit or stand, however you're comfortable.
Okay. The fantasy.
I lived in Dallas for 7 years. When I was there, some young lady that ran over
What?
and out in front of some club in Dallas. Somebody in some big jack-up truck, I think he backed over, didn't even know she was there.
This is in danger.
Something. Something. So 7/25/85 is your birthday, correct?
Correct.
Alright, Samantha, let's take some pictures.
Okay.
See what's going on in there. Start steady. And the earring, continue earrings on, sports bra, great, nothing in your pockets, fantastic. Came prepared.
Yes.
I like it.
Gonna take some pictures of my insides.
So how many followers do you get?
Pardon me?
How many followers?
So far on YouTube, 264 subscribers.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So when they subscribe, does that mean it's somebody that they pay you?
Oh, it's like a,
For the left shoulder?
it's.
You're gonna face me this direction.
Where am
You're gonna stand right here.
I?
You're gonna face me. Step to your left. And step forward. You see a small step to the right. Too much. Chin up. Perfect right there. Don't move. Good. This is a little different. It's called your AP open mouth. And what we're doing is losing the first two bones in the neck. Just have to open our mouth so the teeth will get in the way. So chin right there's actually perfect. Don't move. Good. You can relax. You're going to do some, here, what you're going to do here, Samantha, is take a deep breath in and hold, don't move, breathe normal. So you're going to face me, arms up, elbows together. And then again, you're taking another deep breath in, Samantha, and hold. Breathe normal. You relax your arms. You have two more in the low back. So you grew up in Glenwood?
Arkadelphia.
Arkadelphia. I was in Glenwood and Arkadelphia flip flop. Deep breath in, all the way out, and hold. So do you ever do the live stuff where people can actually comment?
Yeah, on Facebook though. But yeah, you have to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views to get monetized. So you have to sometimes it takes people years. You know?
Sure. Face me this way. Okay. Step forward. We're gonna grow a little bit. Thanks, she's got like 1.75 million followers.
In Arkansas?
Mm-hmm.
She's a big YouTuber.
I don't know. She's doing YouTube and some of the other channels. Maybe she's got it going on. It's pretty cool. Deep breath in, all the way out. Hold, don't move. Good. All right, you can have a seat. Yeah, she does little music videos.
Okay.
No.
She's up there. I wonder how long she's been doing it. Hey guys, I'm leaving the chiropractor's office. I'm kind of let down, but it's okay because I just have to be patient with the process, and I understand the process, so it's okay. I did not get an adjustment today. They don't do adjustments on the first day. Of course, it's paperwork, x-rays. They want to look over all of that, just to kind of see what do I have going on, and that's understandable. So I come back tomorrow and get the report on my x-rays and all that good stuff, and I'll get the actual my first actual adjustment. I'll get 12 adjustments in all. So you guys come on along with me on this journey of getting my back adjusted and, you know, getting my posture back right. You know, just taking care of myself. I'm literally right in front of the street. Just taking care of myself, mentally, physically. If you follow me on Instagram, I put up a post that says under construction. I meant that, you know. Yeah, so I didn't get an adjustment today, but I will tomorrow. So I'll bring you guys back with me tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you all. Bye.